Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Avengers in Infinite Craft. So let's head over and start that. Let's put in here water, and then on the water, let's add another water. Now we have lake. Now let's add another water. Now we have ocean. Let's add in here another water. Now we have fish. So let's put in here water above that, and then let's add earth on that another water. Now we have plant. So let's put in here wind on the plant, and now we have dandelion. So let's merge dandelion to the fish. Now we have popper fish. Let's add another one. Let's put fire right here. Let's put fish right here. Now we have sushi. So let's merge sushi with popper fish. Now we have poison. So let's put poison right here. Now we have toxic. So since we already have that, let's add another poison to that. Now we have venom. So since we already have that, let's put this aside for now. Then let's create another element by putting in here wind. Then let's add in here earth. Now we have dust. So for that, let's head over and add in here another earth. Now we have planet. So for this planet right here, let's add another planet. Now we have star. Let's add star to that star. Now we have another element, which is galaxy. So let's add star to the galaxy. Now we have universe. Now on this universe right here, let's add in here venom. Now we have Spider-Man. Next thing we need to do is we need to add in here water. Then let's add in here fire. Now we have steam. Next thing we need to do is merge the steam with Spider-Man. Now we have Iron Man. So since we already have Iron Man right here, let's put in here another planet. So let's add fire to that planet. And then we have the sun. So let's add another fire to the sun. Now we have solar. So let's add in here another planet. Now we have system. So for this system, let's add in here another fire. Now we have computer. So for this computer, let's add in here a system. Now we have software. So for this software, let's add in here earth. Now we have game. Now let's add another computer to that game. Now we have gamer. So since we already have gamer, let's put in here game. Now we have gaming. Since we already have gaming, let's put this around here for now. And let's create another element by putting wind and putting another wind right here. Now we have tornado. So for this tornado, let's put in here planet. Now we have cyclone. So for this cyclone, let's put in here planet. Now we have Jupiter. So for that Jupiter, let's head over and put in here tornado. Now we have Zeus. So for this Zeus right here, let's add that to gaming. Now we have God.war. Now let's add in here Earth. Now we have Thor. So for this Thor right here, let's merge that to Iron Man. And now we have Avengers. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.